Hello and welcome to my channel. Today the date is 7th of November 2020. I will be reading out top 15 news from the top stories section from the InShots app. UP government to give 30-day salary as bonus to 15 lakh employees ahead of Diwali. Ahead of Diwali, Uttar Pradesh government has decided to give a bonus to 15 lakh state employees equivalent to their 30-day salary. Of the applicable bonus, 25% will be given in cash and 75% will be added to the Provident Fund. Those without Provident Fund account will be given National Savings Certificate for the same amount, an official said. It would cost 1022 crore to state exchequer. Next, how has Trump's lead gone down in states yet to declare results? US President Donald Trump lead has gone down in Georgia and Pennsylvania. In Georgia, Trump is now leading Democratic presidential nominee Joe Biden by only 1,902 votes, whereas in Pennsylvania, Trump is leading by 41,118 votes. Meanwhile, Biden's lead has increased in Nevada, and he is now leading Trump by 11,438 votes, with 233,000 votes yet to be counted. 732,000 votes are yet to be counted in Pennsylvania too. Next, why is Ethiopia on the brink of civil war? Ethiopia appears on the brink of civil war after PM Abiy Ahmed ordered a military offensive following an allegation attack on army base in Tigray by forces loyal to the local government. The current round of tensions started after the federal government stopped funding for Tigray in October. Tigray had conducted elections in defiance of federal government in September. 6-month state of emergency imposed in Tigray. Next. Don't think I have ever seen it in my life. Commentator on Ali's run out on free hit. After RCB's Moeen Ali got run out for a golden duck on a free hit against SRH, commentator Pumelio Bangwa said, "I don't think I have seen that in my life." He added, "Ali got a free hit and he's out. Oh my goodness. Can you believe that?" Ali was dismissed after SRH's Rashid Khan fired a direct hit from extra cover. Next, RCB have failed to fill up the obvious holes after year. Manjrekar. After RCB were eliminated from IPL 2020, cricketer turned out commentator Sanjay Manjrekar tweeted, "With RCB it's never been about their execution, it's always been about squad selection." He added, year after year they have failed to fill up the obvious holes, thereby keeping themselves vulnerable as IPL side. RCB were knocked out by SRH in the eliminator on Friday. Next, commentator Danny Morrison calls Mithali Raj "my dear" in interview criticized. Ex-England women cricketer Isabella Westbury criticized cricketer turned commentator Danny Morrison for calling Mithali Raj "my dear" after her women's T20 challenge match on Thursday. "Don't call international sportswomen "my dear" in interviews. You wouldn't say it to a man. It shouldn't need to be said," Isabella tweeted. "Please do not call female players "my dear," a journalist tweeted. Surely the context has to be looked at. Next, what is fast radio burst spotted by NASA for the first time in Milky Way? NASA reported on 28 April it is observed that mix of X-ray and radio signals, which included the first fast radio burst (FRB) seen from within Milky Way. FRBs are bright bursts of radio waves whose durations lie in millisecond scale. It shows that magnetars, a type of isolated neutron star, can produce radio blasts previously seen in other galaxies, said NASA. Magnetar has intense magnetic field, NASA. Next, sledging not going to worry Kohli. It doesn't work against great players. War. Talking about Indians' upcoming tour to Australia, ex-Australia captain Steve Waugh said, "Sledging is not going to worry Virat Kohli. It doesn't work against the great players." He added, "Better off leaving those guys alone. I think an extra motivation will make them dig in more and get more runs. So you're better off not saying much to him." Australia-India series begin on November 27th. Next, We made one hell of a game in the second half, Kohli eliminator versus SRH. After getting knocked out of IPL 2020 following their loss in the eliminator against SRH, RCB captain Virat Kohli said, "I don't think we have had enough runs on the board." He added, "We made one hell of a game out of in the second half." He further said, "We needed to be more expressive with the bat." Next, SRH knocked RCB out of IPL 2020 after finishing run chase in last over. SRH knocked RCB out of IPL 2020 after chasing down the 132 run target in the last over in the eliminator on Friday. The defeat was RCB's fifth consecutive defeat in the tournament. SRH will now face DC in the Qualifier 2 on Sunday. The winner of Qualifier 2 will face MI in IPL 2020 final on Tuesday. Williamson's top scored for SRH with 50 by 44 runs. Mumbai's active COVID-19 cases fall to lowest in 6 months to 16,116. The number of active coronavirus cases in Mumbai on Thursday dropped to its lowest in nearly 6 months to 16,116. The city previously had less than 16,000 active COVID-19 cases in the third week of May. For the 6th day in a row, Mumbai reported less than 1,000 cases with 841 new cases on Thursday. Mumbai recorded 25 deaths on Thursday. 31% rapes in Delhi last year committed against children, NGO. Out of the total 3,137 rape cases in Delhi last year, 31% rapes were committed against children, the NGO Praja Foundation said. Of the 3,137 rape cases, 969 were registered under the Protection of Children from Sexual Offences Act. In 96% of the rape cases under the POCSO, offenders were known to the victim, it said. Reporting of major crimes decreased in the past 5 years.